Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. I Kritika Dikshit welcomes you all in the video solution of Matrix Olympiad paper for class 5th. स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको याद दिलाना चाहूंगी कि मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड से रिलेटेड कोई भी अपडेट्स हो वो आपको इसी चैनल पर मिलेंगी, तो प्लीज गो एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड डोंट मिस टू हिट द बेल आइकन, ताकि जितने भी नोटिफिकेशंस है रिलेटेड टू मैट्रिक्स ओलंपियाड वो आपको सब टाइम टू टाइम मिल जाए. So let's start with the solution of first part, that is of mathematics. Here comes the first question of this part. A dash is a one-dimensional figure with one end point and it extends infinitely in one direction. ये एक one-dimensional figure है with one end point, जिसके पास एक end point है and it extends infinitely in one direction, और एक ही direction की तरफ ये move कर रही है. So what is this one-dimensional figure? So here, out of this four option, you can say that a ray is a one-dimensional figure which has only one end point and it extends infinitely in one direction. So ray is the correct answer. Now the next question is, which of the following geometrical figure has no end points? Out of this four option, we have to find out one geometrical figure which has no end points. So here we have a geometrical figure, that is a line. A line extends from both the sides, so it does not have any end point. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the third question. How many angles are there in the given figure below? So we have to find out the number of angles here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now here, after 3 we have this 4, 5 and this whole is 6. So here we have 6 angles. Option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 4. An angle whose measure is between 0 degree and 90 degree is called. So we have to find out the angle which measures between 0 degree and 90 degree. So the angle is acute angle, because in an acute angle the measure lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question 5 is, we have to subtract 1 crore 8 lakh 17,593 from 8 crore 27 lakh 54,380. That gives us, let's write down the 8 crore 27 lakh 54,380 minus 1 crore 8 lakh 17,593. So after subtraction, we get 7 crore 19 lakh 36,787. So here after subtraction, we get the answer this. So let's find out the answer out of these four options. So here option A is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question. Next question is, which of the following option is correct? Now we have to find out the correct option. So here in option 1, we have to add this both the terms. Here 35,680 plus 56,925 gives us 92,605. So here the answer is incorrect. Now the next option is 5,80,378 plus 8,85,646 gives us that is 14,66,024. So here the answer is incorrect. Now the next C option. Here we have 2,98,745 plus 7,45,286 gives us 10,44,031. So this answer is correct. And the next last one is 64,964 plus 56,738 gives us 1,21,702. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 7. Nancy garden has 42 rows of roses with 28 roses in each row. How many roses are in her garden? So here we have to find out how many roses are there in her garden. So here Nancy has 42 rows. 28 roses in each row and 42 are the total number of rows. So we are going to multiply 42 by 28. So after multiplication we get 1176. So here 1176 is the total number of roses in Nancy's garden. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next is Rohan has a wardrobe. If 200 shirts are there in 5 rows, so total number of shirts are 200 and total number of rows is 5. Then how many shirts are there in each row? We have to find out shirts in each row. So what we are going to do? We are simply going to divide this 200 by 5. So after division we get 40. So each row has 40 shirts. Here option C is the correct answer. Now let's start question number 9. In which of the following expression prime factorization has been done correctly? So out of these 4 options we have to find out in which number prime factorization has done correctly. So let's know what is prime factorization. Prime factorization is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime number. So first we have to find out that all the numbers are in the prime or not. In first option we have a number 56 and all numbers are in the prime. Next option we have 70 and here all the numbers are prime except 9. So 9 is a composite number. So we can say that this option is incorrect because this is not the correct way of prime factorization. Now let's check option C here 54. So the product of these prime numbers is correct but 9 is a composite number. So here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 9 is not the correct way of expressing prime factorization. So this option is also incorrect. Now let's check last option. 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. Here 4 is a composite number. So here we can say that this is also not the correct way of expressing prime factorization. Here option A is the correct answer, because all the numbers are the product of prime numbers. So option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 10. What is the divisibility rule of 4? 4 का divisibility rule हमें find out करना है. Now option A is if the last digit of a number is 4. No, this option is not correct. If the last digit of a number is 0. No. If the last 2 digits of a number are divisible by 4. Yes, this option is correct. Means option C is the correct answer. If the sum of the last 2 digits of a number are divisible 4. This option is also incorrect. We know that the divisibility rule of 4 is when the last 2 digits of the number are divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible by 4. So here option C is the correct answer. Like for example, we have 2, 4, 6, 9, 0, 8, 4. It doesn't matter how long the number is, but we have to check only the last 2 digits of the number. If this 84 is divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible by 4. Here the answer is 21. So 84 is divisible by 4. So this whole number is divisible by 4. So here, according to the option C is the correct answer. Now, the next question is question number 11. The LCM of 15, 20 and 25 is. So here we have to find out the LCM. So here, the LCM of 15, 20 and 25 is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 300. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 12. What is the highest common factor of 36 and 84? Let's find out. 36 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And 84 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So here let's find out the common factor 2, 2 and here 3. So highest common factor is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 12. So here option C is the correct answer. Here the next question is length of a rectangle is equal to area upon question mark. So here we have to fill up the blank here. What is area of a rectangle? That is length multiplied by breadth. So to find out the length, what we are going to do? We are going to divide area by breadth. So area upon breadth is equal to length of a rectangle. So here we have to place the breadth. So option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 14. Area of a triangle having base 15 cm and altitude 6 cm is. So we have to find out the area of a triangle, and we know what is an area of a triangle. Half into base into height. So here what we are going to do, we will going to place the values. Half into bases are 15 and height is 6 cm. So after cancellation we get 45 cm square. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 15. Find the parameter in centimeter of the given figure. We have to find out the parameter of this irregular figure. So we know that what is parameter? Parameter of an irregular figure is sum of its all sides. So we are going to add all of them. Now let's add them all. 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus. So we have to add them all. After adding, what we get? Now we get 48 centimeter. Now the correct answer is option B, that is 48 centimeter. Now the next question is question number 16. Here The perimeter of a rectangular photo frame is 30 centimeter. एक rectangular photo frame का जो perimeter है that is 30 centimeter. So here we have a rectangular photo frame. Now we are going to write down perimeter of this photo frame, that is 30 centimeter. Length is given to us. That is 7 centimeter, and we know the formula of perimeter, that is 2L plus B. Now we are going to place the values in this formula. Now here perimeter is 30 to 7 plus B. So here let's divide 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 7 plus B. After cancellation we get after cancellation we get 15 minus 7, that is equal to B. So here breadth is equal to 8 centimeter. So we get the breadth. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the area of this rectangular photo frame. So for area, what we are going to do? We are going to write down the formula first. L into B. Here the value of L is 7. Value of B is 8. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. So here 56 centimeter square is the correct answer. Now option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 17. The side of cuboidal box are 17 meter, 9 meter and 9 meter. Then find its volume. So we have to find the volume of the cuboidal box. We know the formula of volume. So here we are going to place the formula, that is L into B into H. Let's place the value. 14 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. Here after multiplication we get 1134 meter cube. So option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 18. How many faces does a brick have? We have to find out the faces of brick. We know that a brick is of cuboidal shape. And what is face? Face is a flat surface. So here let's draw a brick of cuboidal shape. Let's count the number of faces here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the front one is 6. So here total number of faces is 6. So B is the correct answer. Now let's start with the next question, question number 19. In this question we have to find out how many cubes of H 6 centimeter will fill up a box of 15 centimeter long, 18 centimeter wide and 24 centimeter high. So here we have a cuboidal box and we have to fill this box with a cube which is of H 6 centimeter. So let's find out the volume of this box first. Volume of cuboidal box is L into B into H. So here 15 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 24. So the answer is 6480 centimeter cube. Now the next is volume of a cube. So here volume of a cube is side into side into side and we have 6 centimeter H. So here we are going to multiply 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 and after multiplying we get 216 centimeter cube. So we have to find out the number of cubes Here to find out number of cubes, we are going to divide volume of box by volume of cube. So here volume of box is 6480 upon 216. That is equal to 30. So here option A is the correct answer. Now let's start the question. That is question number 20. Convert 7000 centimeter cube into liters. So here we have to do the conversion. We know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So if we multiply this 1000 centimeter cube by 7, so we will get 7000 centimeter cube. So according to the rule, if we multiply a number on left hand side, the same number we also have to multiply in the right hand side also. So here 1 multiplied by 7 Jesus. So here 7000 centimeter cube is equal to 7 liters. So the correct answer is option D. Now the next question is question number 21. We have to match the column. Here first one is area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So here length multiplied by breadth is in second one. Next one is area of a square. So area of a square is side into side. This one is the correct one. Now parameter of rectangle is 2 length plus 2 breadth. It means 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So here the sequence is 2, 1, 3. So here option D is the correct answer. That is 2, 1, 3. Let's start the next question. That is question number 22. Here we have to do the match the column. Means column 1 with column 2. And here we are given with line, ray and line segment in column 1. And in the second column we are having the representation of this line, ray and line segment when 2 points are given to us, that is point A and point B. Now let's match the representation with the correct one. Now here line is AB line and ray is for 2 and line segment for 1. Here the correct sequence is 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1 is in the B option. So option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 23. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer using code given below. Now here we have to do the again match. Now here in column 1 we are given with the number and in column 2 we are given with the correct prime factorization of these numbers. So here let's match the correct number with the correct prime factorization. Here the number is 90. Here it is 4. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. It means 36 1. And this is for 90. Here 90 is for 2 and this last one is for 96. So the correct sequence is 2, 3, 1. So here 2, 3, 1 is in the A option. So option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 24. Which of the following statement is true or false? We have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false out of these 3 statements. Let's find out. Statement 1 is if 2 lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Yes, it's true. When 2 lines intersect each other, so their vertical angles are equal. So here first is true. The next one is 2 parallel lines intersect at 3 points. So this statement is false because parallel lines never intersect each other. Third is intersecting lines cut each other at 1 point. Yes, this statement is also true. Intersecting lines cut each other at 1 point. We can say that in this diagram also two intersecting lines are intersecting each other at 1 point. So here sequence is true, false, true. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 25. Which of the following statements are true or false? We have to again find the statements which are true and which are false out of these three statements. So here the first statement is, if the area of a square is 64 centimeter square, then its side is 8 centimeter. Let's find out the side of this area. Here 64 is the area and side square. 8 is equal to side. So this statement is true. Area of rectangle equal to the product of adjacent side. Yes. So the area of a rectangle equal to product of its adjacent side means this is a rectangle. This is length. This is breadth. So these two sides are adjacent to each other. In the same way we can say length, breadth. These two sides are adjacent to each other. So the area of rectangle is equal to the product of its adjacent sides. So here this statement is also true. If the perimeter of a square is 36 centimeter, then its side is 10 centimeter. So let's check this also. Perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. That is equal to 36. So let's find out the side. Side is equal to 36 divided by 4, that is 9. So here side is equal to 9 centimeter. So here this statement is false because in this side is given 10 centimeter but the actual side is 9 centimeter. So the correct sequence is true, true, false. So here true, true, false is option B. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 26. Which of the following statement is true or false? We have to again find out which statement is true and which statement is false. So out of these three statements, let's find out which one is correct and which one is false. First statement is, volume of a liquid is usually measured in liters. So volume of a liquid is usually measured in liters, yes or no? So this statement is true because the SI unit of volume of a liquid is liters. Next is, volume of a solid shape is measured in cubic unit. Yes, this statement is also true. Next one is, volume of the space enclosed by a two-dimensional object. This statement is false because in two-dimensional object we don't have volume, we have area. So here third statement is false. So the sequence is true, true, false. Here option B is the correct answer. Next we have question number 27, that based on the information that is given above. Now here order of operations is bracket, of, divide, multiply, add and subtract. So here we have to use the BODMAS rule and we have to solve this question. Here we have 13 plus 12 multiplied by 9 divided by 3 minus 6. So let's solve it. So here the correct answer is 43. Option B is the correct answer. The next question is question number 28. In this question also we have to apply the BODMAS rule and we have to solve it. Let's solve it. So after the solution, we get minus 3. So here option A is the correct answer. Now, the next question is question number 29. This is also based on the paragraph, and the information that is given to us is a school organized an educational trip to the Taj Mahal. The mathematics teacher took 5th standard students to the Taj Mahal. The teacher had interest in history as well. The teacher told two students that the length and breadth of a rectangular marble is 8 centimeter by 20 centimeter respectively that were used to form it. So here the information of a marble is given to us, that is length and breadth of the rectangular marble tile is 80 centimeter by 20 centimeter respectively. So let's read the question. Find the parameter of a marble tile that were used to form it. So here we have to find out the parameter of a marble tile. So we know that rectangular shape marble has parameter 2 into L plus B because it is of rectangular shape. So here length is 80, breadth is 20. So 2 multiplied by 80 plus 20 is 100. So here we have 200. So the parameter of the rectangular marble tile is 200 centimeter. Here option C is the correct answer. Now the last question of this part, question number 30. Find the area of a marble tile. Now we have to find out the area of this marble tile. Here using the information that is length and width of a rectangular marble tile is 80 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So we are going to find out the area by using these details only. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So here length is 80 and breadth is 20. So 20 multiplied by 80 is 1600 centimeter square. So here option B is the correct answer. So I hope you all understood this part. Thank you.
Hello students, today I will discuss the MOF paper solution of class 5th 29 October shift 1st. For more details, for more information regarding Matrix Olympiad exam, subscribe our channel. You will get every notification regarding the results as well as the stage 2nd exam on this channel. Now we will start our from first question. Our first question is, animals with backbone or spinal cord are called. Those animals which are having backbone as well as spinal cord, they are basically known as vertebrates. So our correct answer will be option B. Next question. A butterfly has dash wings to fly. How many wings are present on butterfly for the purpose of flying ability? They are 4 in number. So our correct answer will be option B, 4. Our next question will be, which disease are spread by mosquito? We have to find out the number of diseases which are basically spread from the mosquito. First one is dengue, second one is yellow fever, and third one is malaria. All the diseases are spread from the mosquito. So our correct answer will be option D, all of these. Our next question is, which kind of animal is a deer? Deer is a kind of animal. It is the animal which are active in day as well as night. Those animals are known as crepuscular animals. So our correct answer will be option C. Our next question is, the seeds of plants need to disperse to. First one is, ensure the continuity and survival of the species. That's the correct option. Avoid overcrowding in one place. That's also correct. Prevent the competition of parent plants with the offspring for water, nutrients and sunlight. All these 3 options are correct. So our correct answer will be option D. Next question is, a group of brightly colored petals is known as. We have to find out the correct option of group of petals that are colorful in nature. And as we all know that flower is the main part in which petals are responsible for color. So our correct option will be option A. The group is known as corolla. Our next question is, the pollen grains must reach the dash of the flower for pollination to occur. First of all, we discuss about the pollen grain. Pollen grain is the male gamete of the flower and it will reach to the stigma, and after which fertilization take place. That correct option will be option A. Next question is, the body of the parent breaks down into fragments and each piece can grow into a new offspring. It is a kind of asexual reproduction. The mode of asexual reproduction is called. We have to find out the options from the given. Which mode is this? We are giving a hint. That hint is known as fragments. So our correct answer will be option C, fragmentation. Next question is, which of the following type of animals give birth directly to young ones? Those animals which give birth to young ones are known as viviparous. And as we know that birds are oviparous, fishes are also oviparous, reptiles are oviparous. So correct answer will be option C, mammals. And human beings are also included in mammals. Next question is, the device used for the artificial incubation is. Artificial incubation is the machinery or it is technique which is away from the natural environment. That will be incubator. So our correct answer will be option A. Next question is, example of immiscible liquid. Immiscible liquids are those liquids which do not mix in the those liquids which do not mix with each other or that are not soluble with each other. So our correct answer will be oil in water. Next question is, alum is a chemical that helps in sedimentation. As it increases the rate of sedimentation, this process is known as. Which kind of process this is known as? This process is known as basically loading. So our correct option will be option B. Next question. Liquid changes into gases by increase in temperature or decrease in pressure. This process is very famous and that process is known as evaporation. Next question is, the gravity on the moon is dash of that on the earth. How many times there is a difference between the gravity on the earth as well as the moon? It is 1/6. So our correct option is given is option C. Next question is, which type of simple machine used a slanted surface that connects a lower level to a higher level? These kind of machines are known as inclined plane. That plane is known as inclined plane. So our correct option will be option A. Next one is, energy associated with the movement of the object. The moment, which energy is responsible for the movement of any object, that is known as kinetic energy. Regarding more updates about the MOF and about the results, about the stage 2nd exams, subscribe our channel. This will help you to get the best notification as early as possible uploaded on this channel. Our next question is, non-renewable source of energy is. These are the energy which cannot be renewed after a period of time. That energy is known as nuclear energy. So correct option will be option A. Next question is, plants make their food by process. Plants make their food by the help of photosynthesis and with the help of CO2 as well as the water, and with the main efficient role is sunlight as well as the pigment, green pigment that is present in the chloroplast and that is known as chlorophyll. It is present in the leaf. So that's why leaf are also known as food factory of the plant. So correct option will be photosynthesis. Next question is, all living organisms need dash to carry out different life process. every living organism needs the energy, which is utilization or which is a very important part to carry out the all life process. That will be option in given D. So our correct answer will be option D. Last one is the food. The first food pyramid was published in Sweden in which year? It was published in 1974. So our correct answer will be 1974.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 29 October 2023 in shift first. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. So question number 51 and 52. Choose the correct alternative that will continue the same pattern and replace the question mark in the given series. So series is 84, 78, 72, 66, 60, 54, 48 and find the next number of the series. So first find the pattern of the series. So pattern of the series 84 minus 6, it means 78. Now 78 minus 6, it means 72. 72 minus 6, it means 66. 66 minus 6, it means 60. Now 60 minus 6, it means 54. Now 54 minus 6, it means 48. Similarly, 48 minus 6. So pattern of the question is subtract 6 in each term. Then we will get the next term. So 48 minus 6, it means 42. So next term is 42. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 52. Series is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, missing term and last term is 17. So first find the pattern of the question. So pattern of the question is, this is the consecutive prime number sequence. First prime number is 2, next prime number is 3, next prime number is 5, next prime number is 7, next prime number is 11. So after 11, next prime number is 13. So missing term is 13. So here option B is the correct answer of this question because 13 is the next term after 11. So option B is the correct answer. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 53. In the given question, various terms of an alphabet series are given with one term missing as shown by question mark. Choose the missing term out of the given alternative. So series is H, I, K, N and find the next term. So first find the pattern of the question. So pattern of the question is H means position of H in English alphabet is 8. Position of I in English alphabet is 9. Position of K in English alphabet is 11. Position of N in English alphabet is 14. So pattern is 8 plus 1, it means 9. Now 9 plus 2, it means 11. Now 11 plus 3, it means 14. Similarly, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Now adding plus 4. So 14 plus 4, it means 18. 18 means R because position of R in English alphabet is 18. So next missing term of this series is R. It means option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is the picture given below. Present the Golu's route to school from his house. What are the direction sequence of his route? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. One is east. This one is west, south, north, and this one is south. And there are 4 cardinal direction. One is northeast, southeast, this is southwest, and this one northwest. So according to picture, Golu goes to the east direction first. Now Golu goes to the south direction. So direction sequence of the route is east, then south. So east and then south. It means option B is the correct direction sequence of the route, east, south. So option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 55. In the given question, which points is in northwest of P? We should know that there are 4 types of main direction and 4 types of cardinal direction. North, opposite of north is south, east, and opposite of east is west. This one northeast, southeast, southwest, and this one northwest. So according to figure, this is the east of P, and this is the west of P, and this is the north of P, and this is the south of P. So find the point is in northwest of P. So northwest of P. So this is the northwest of P. So find the point is in northwest of P. So point S is in northwest of P. So point S, it means option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 56. Choose the correct mirror image of the given figure X amongst the 4 alternatives. So find the mirror image of the given question. So in the mirror image, the object is near the mirror. It will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So this part is near to the mirror. It will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image, and this part is away from the mirror. It will remains away from the mirror in the mirror image. So mirror image of the given question look like as follows. So here option B is the correct mirror image of the given figure. So right answer is option B. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 57. Choose the correct voter image of the given figure X from amongst the 4 alternatives. So find the correct voter image of the given figure. So figure is BTUS. Find the voter image of the given figure. In the voter image, the part which is near the voter, it will remains near the voter in the voter image. So first find the voter image of U. So voter image of U look like as follows. And then find the voter image of T and S. So voter image of T look like as follows, and voter image of S look like this. And now find the voter image of B. Voter image of B look like as follows. So voter image of the given figure look like as follows. So option A is the correct voter image of the given figure. So right answer is option A. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 58. Rahul is 14th place from the right and in a row of 40 boys. What is his position from the left end? So given is total number of boys is equals to 40. and Rahul position. So Rahul position from the right. So this is the right end of the row and this is the left end of the row. So Rahul position from the right is 14. Position of Rahul is 14 from the right side of the row. Now find the position of Rahul from the left end. So find the Rahul position from the left end. So formula is total minus Rahul position from the right end plus 1. Right end and plus 1. So total number of boys in the row is 40 minus Rahul position from the right is 14 plus 1. So 40 minus 14, it means 26. 26 plus 1, it means 27th position. So Rahul is placed 27th position from the left end in this row. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 59. What is the value of given expression by using BODMAS rule? B means bracket, O means order of power, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So find the value of given expression. So expression is 5 minus 3 bracket close multiply by bracket 8 plus 4 bracket close divided by 6. So first, according to BODMAS, first solve the brackets. So 5 minus 3, it means 2. Now 2 multiply 8 plus 4, it means 12. 12 divided by 6. Now divide the numbers. So 2 multiply by 12 divided by 6, it means 2. Now 2 multiply by 2, it means 4. So 4 is the correct value of the given expression. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 60. How does the given shape look like when the shaded part is folded in? So find the folded part of the given image. When given image is to be folded along the dotted line, then image is look like as follows. So it means option B is the correct folded image along the dotted line. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Okay, thank you everyone.